In this video, we're giving an honest review of the Revolut Crypto Card, how it works, its pros and cons, and whether it's worth using. The Revolut Crypto Card lets you spend your crypto directly. You hold crypto in the Revolut app, link it to a physical or virtual card, and when you pay, it automatically converts your crypto into the local currency. The app is modern and user-friendly, and it supports multiple currencies, making it convenient for international transactions. However, there are a few things to watch out for. Fees can be high. Standard users often pay around 2.5% or more per crypto trade. You also cannot withdraw crypto to external wallets, meaning you don't have full control over your assets. Some users have reported account freezes or slow customer support when issues arise. Plus, crypto on Revolut isn't fully protected, and market volatility can affect the value you spend. For freelancers or creators, the Revolut Crypto Card is useful for convenience and international spending, but not ideal for large transactions or long-term crypto storage. Start small, test it, and make sure you understand fees and limitations before committing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment where you're watching from for more honest crypto reviews.